take a look at the structure of the Django project that we are going to be creating to build our API. The Django projects are split up into various apps. So we have the main app, which is the project itself, and this is just going to be in a directory called app. Then we are going to have a core app. The core app is going to be used to handle any shared code that is used between any other app in the project. This will hold things such as our database definition using the Django models. Then we are going to have an app specifically for the user APIs. This will be called user and it will handle things such as the user registration and creating authentication tokens. Finally, we have the recipe app. So this is going to have everything to do with the recipe APIs that our app provides. Will be things like handling and updating ingredients and tags and also managing. So creating, deleting and updating recipes. So that's an overview of the different Django apps that we are going to be creating now.